Sometimes relationship can be hard to handle. It becomes tougher when a man thinks he is going to lose his girlfriend or wife, but do you know it's somehow important to make your boyfriend or husband worry about losing you? Yes, it gives your relationship mental crisis, and after that it makes the relationship tight. So, it's nice to know how to make your man worry about losing you. How? Wait, we will give you the awesome tips to follow. Have a look at the video. 1. Don't be so available. Yes, it's a very good idea to make your man worry about losing you. When we get something very easily, we might not have much interest in this. But if it is rare, we may have extra attraction on it. This is the reality. So, don't be clingy, be unavailable all on a sudden. If you act all clingy and needy, your man won't ever miss you. In the same time, if he suddenly can't contact you anytime that he wants, he might be reminded of what it was like to not have someone as awesome as you in his life. 2. Stop answering instantly to his texts. Guys get tired of clingy and needy girlfriends at very short notice. If you make him worry about a lot, let him wait, don't answer his phone calls or his messages right away. If you continue doing this, things in your man will change for the better and your relationship will improve. 3. Make elusive future plans where he is not included. When you make a future working plan without being listed of your man's name, but it includes many of your friends, it would be devastating for him. He will be broken down by the idea as he knows he is not invited by you. He will constantly be thinking about if any of those guys will try something with you. 4. Bring a change in your phone behavior. Do you know, it's amazing. Start changing your phone behavior all on a sudden. What you have to do: 1. You may put a lock on your phone. It will give a think to your man that you have some secrets. It will obviously make him worry too. You may change your phone passwords. Changing your password will stop him from having access to all your stuff. It may drive him crazy, if he is much interacted with you. He'll wonder what you are up to, and this will translate into worrying about losing you. 3. You may turn your phone off at night. It will make you unavailable to him, when he wants. And the reality is, if he doesn't get you available on a particular time, he will miss you exact on this time. It will make psychological crisis for him to worry about losing you. 5. Talk to someone whom he hates. It's a little bit risky, but effective. When you will talk someone whom your partner doesn't like or hate, he will get fire. And this will make him worry about losing you. He thinks you want him to hate you, as you are mixing with his enemy. Remember, you may have possibility to lose the man, if the trick becomes much complex. You may also follow the trick by talking to one of his co-worker who is good looking. If he suddenly notices you talking with his colleague, he will start to wonder why you are talking, and there might be something affair between you. 6. Have your own friends. You should have your own friends. When you have, it will give him a message that you are not alone and you can do something, if you wish. You have the chance to go for vacation with your friends and you may have a good time with them. These will make your boyfriend worry about losing you, and he will change his mind and his behavior as well. It will be good for your relationship. 7. Don't eat the things what he loves. It's a good idea to avoid things what your man loves to do. If you want to make him worry about losing you, show him that you are not interested in these which he likes, which he loves to read, where he wants to go, etc. You can show him also that you have better options to follow. 8. Try some new moves on bed. You know, it's very risky also. When you will try something new on your bed with your partner, it will make him think where and how you have learned it all on a sudden. He may seriously suspect you. But it's a very fast idea to make him worry about you, no doubt. He will think that he is permanently going to lose you. 9. Flirt with other guys in front of him. If it's possible, flirt with other guys in front of your boyfriend or husband. It will work miracle. Do you know how? Well, listen. When you will do this, your partner will be informed that you have ability to make someone else in your life and others are also interested in you. It will also inform to your partner that you will have no problem to be with others once he leaves you. 10. Show a carefree attitude. Try to be independent. And give your man an understanding that you can be careless to him if he tries to avoid you. When you will be able to show that you are a strong and independent woman, he will look at you differently. Show him that you can handle things on your own. This attitude will make him think twice. What do you think? Are we right to explain the things what will make your man worry about losing you? If you have better trick to know people, you are welcome. Hit the like button and subscribe if you find this video beneficial.